Kawasaki didn't make many water-cooled two-stroke motorcycles before the emission regulations came into effect. Fortunately, they did give us the AR125. In the early 1980s, 125 cubic centimeters stroker sport bikes were the pinnacle of the motorcycle world. Well, that is if you were 17 years old and didn't want to go off-road on an XL, DT, and KMX. Either way, the options were plentiful. The Honda MBX, Yamaha RD, and Suzuki RG are all popular choices, as is the Kawasaki offering. Made in 12 brake horsepower limited and 22 brake horsepower unlimited versions, the former is notoriously long to break free of its restrictions, but fresh out of the box, the small 12 brake horsepower version has arguably the easiest motor to control. We wonder what it would look like today. 124 cubic centimeters may not sound like much, but the original bike had a way of making the most of it, being able to plunge the tachometer needle into the red and reach speeds of 90 miles per hour in strong winds. This is partly due to Kawasaki's approach to expanding the power range with the use of discs and reed valves in the motor, the rotary reed valve induction system, or RISS as it is proudly known. We've updated it with KDX and KR1S components and expect it to reach 25 brake horsepower indefinitely with ease while remaining reliable. Now comes a concept design of the Kawasaki AR125 2025, using an alloy beam frame that is sturdier than the original tubular steel frame. An inverted fork and single radial caliper sit at the foot of the right fork, while a banana swing arm from Kawasaki's parts bin keeps the rear wheel on the ground with the help of Uni-Trak suspension. The 17-inch wheels replace the 18-inch wheels and also benefit from wider tire options. Over the years, AR developed a belly pan, then full fairing at the end of its production cycle. The headlight hood remained a substantial piece of plastic to help squeeze out every last mph and now featured running lights. Hitchhikers are still welcome with a rather low step and grab handles to replace the single grab rail. Okay, are you ready? Let the good times roll.